Hi there, just wanted to do a full video walkthrough tour on this home. We are in Highland Ridge, which is a beautiful community. There are so many parks, walkways, playgrounds, pavilions, places to hang out. It's close to an elementary school. It is also close to the Mesa airport. We are in the back of a cul-de-sac, so there's plenty of parking in front of this home, as you can see. And this is a rambler. It's quite large. It sprawls for about 3,000 square feet. Lots of beautiful plantings, as you can see. Everything is on a drip system. There really is no grass, but there is some turf in the back. So it's very, very low maintenance. You can see a lot of paver walkways that goes right through a gate and into the backyard. We'll see that on the other side of the fence. We've got windows in the garage. Nice courtyard. All right, we'll come in the entry. You can see it's very open. Just beyond the entry, you have a formal living room and a formal dining. And then one more option is to have another living room or den. Now from the entryway, if we would have gone right, we get 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. You can see there's a coat closet. Good sized bedroom over here. Very private. Lots of, a lot of trees all the way around this property. Big closet. Here's your 3/4 bath, so you got a stand-up shower. Here's your vanity. Tile down the hall. Carpet in this bedroom here. This is a very large bedroom, by the way. You can see double closets on this end. Some plantation shutters, which are really beautiful. 3 windows along that side. Big, nice big bedroom. And this is completely opposite of where the master bedroom is, so there's a lot of privacy down this wing of the home. All right. Again, formal living room, formal dining, den. There's also an alcove right here for some kind of a hutch or a large piece of furniture. And we'll walk through to the kitchen and great room. This is all tile floors, as you can see. Lots of windows to the backyard. Here's our view of the kitchen. You can see how many cabinets are in that kitchen. It's big. There is a surround sound system here in the family room. It terminates in this wall, so you would most likely hang your TV there. But there's also a cable jack there in that corner. And of course, these days, really what we need is just an outlet to plug in the TV. So there's a number of different options how you could set this room up. You do have a bar in the island. You get some large bar stools. This is kind of your pantry right here with these cabinets. Very deep cabinets, as you can see. Stainless steel appliances. Granite tops. Ice maker and refrigerator. Staggered cabinets. Just give it a really nice upgraded look. You can see that gorgeous crown molding on top of the cabinets. Pendant lighting. Yeah, great place. Of course, that flows out nicely to this patio, and a travertine stone patio. Let's see how long that is. It's covered. Good lighting out here. We do have a block fence all the way around. Here's the pool equipment. Very sizable AC unit. There's your sprinkler box right there. Everything's on the drip system, as I mentioned. In the corner, we have a little citrus tree and a beautiful pool. You can see there's a bench to sit down right there. I don't know the exact depth, probably maybe 5-6 feet. And this of course has a water feature. Great trees. And then here is a little pad of turf here and there. More citrus trees. There's that drip system. If you have a green thumb, you can come out here and cultivate any kind of plants you'd like. There's a little rose garden on that side. You'll see we have a full block fence. There is not a home behind you. There are lots of beautiful mature trees at this point that give you lots of privacy in this yard. Here's another citrus tree. Some more roses. Okay, and we have a lemon tree. And here's the other side of that fence. All right, let's go back inside and we'll see the other half of the home. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home total. It's just over 3,000 square feet, so it really sprawls. Let's take a look here. Coming back in the home, we'll cross through the great room. And see we're looking back towards the entryway. All right. We'll turn this way. You see this den on the left. Okay, you could set a TV in this room. It's got all the components to do so. We have tile all the way down the hallway. If you take a left, we have the garage. Thermostat. Actually, sorry, that is the alarm system. The soft water system in the home that goes back out to where those citrus trees were. Nice bright garage. It is finished, sheetrock, painted, water heater. All right. I'm going to show you a 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom in between, but I also wanted to show you really quickly this nice area here with cabinets, countertop, bedroom, big wide closet, and then here we have that Jack and Jill bathroom with a double sink, and then as a lock off you have your toilet and your tub. Very nice. Here's that other bedroom. And then just across the hall, you can see that we have a laundry room, tons of cabinets in here, and a mud sink, very deep sink. Okay. And then we're going to go into the principal bedroom. Huge master bedroom. I think the dimensions would accommodate just about any bedroom set you could possibly imagine. You have a nice view of the backyard. You can actually see the pool. Again, those trees out there provide a lot of privacy. Nobody is staring down on you. This passes right through to the master bathroom. Nice and bright. We have a long vanity here. You can place a chair underneath there. Lots of mirrors. Soaker tub. Big shower there. Smaller vanity. Private commode. And then this has a really great closet. If you can see all of the hanging space. Sizable. Okay. I'm just going to take you all the way back to the entryway. Back to your formal dining.